I'm taking on the challenge to become the best version of myself in just 30 days, and I want you to join me on this journey. Becoming the best version of yourself is a journey everyone can embark on. It's all about making progress, learning, and improving every day. Self-doubt is a major obstacle people face when trying to improve themselves. It's that little voice in your head that tells you you're not good enough. Procrastination is another huge challenge. Putting off tasks and decisions can hold you back from achieving your goals. Fear of failure can also be a significant hurdle. It's scary to try something new and risk not succeeding. Lack of motivation is also a common problem. It's hard to stay motivated and focused on your goals when you're not seeing immediate results. Embracing failure is a crucial part of the journey to self-improvement. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. Setting realistic goals is also important. Breaking down big goals into smaller, achievable tasks can help you stay focused and motivated. Practicing self-compassion is vital. Being kind to yourself and acknowledging your efforts can help you stay positive and encouraged. Having a growth mindset is also essential. Believing that you can learn and grow can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. There are many people who have transformed their lives by implementing these strategies. Take someone who used to be shy and introverted, but decided to take a public speaking course. With time and practice, they became confident and articulate. Someone who used to struggle with anxiety but started practicing mindfulness and meditation, they learned to manage their stress and live a more peaceful life. Someone who used to be stuck in a dead-end job but decided to take a risk and pursue their passion, they found a new sense of purpose and fulfillment. These stories are a testament to the human potential for growth and change. The key to becoming the best version of yourself is to stay committed and keep moving forward. Every small step counts, and every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. I'm taking on the challenge to become the best version of myself in just 30 days, and I want you to join me on this journey. So share your own experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other video on personal growth for more tips and inspiration.